Once I get trapped in my emotions and I'm not careful, my thoughts run wild.
Before anything could make me feel any kind of way, whatever the circumstances call for, if it's just called for anger, anger. If it calls for violence, violence.
I blew it. There was so much shame.
Our brokenness, our shame is controlling the internal narrative that we have, which influences our behavior.
My thoughts would tell me all kind of crazy things about life, about what someone did, about the past, about me wanting revenge, about what I need to do to make things right.
We're talking about something that is so painful, it's killing you.
And that's what's so liberating about centering prayer and learning how to sit still with yourself, is that you have a space now where you could look at your thoughts and say, what the am I thinking? What the is that? Nah, that's not right. And it leads you to better decisions.
I mean, it's magical for me because it's God healing you, but in his own language. And God's language for me is silence, but it's a silence that really says something to you.